Welcome back to the Posh Lab, guys. I'm Eric, that's Derek, and this week we have an RS6 finished in Merlin purple.
This thing is stunning already, and it's about to get even better.
That's right. What it's here for, full protection. We're not going to XPEL Ultimate Plus, we're going stealth. Let's go.
Alright guys, so before we get started on decontaminating this and getting all the kits cut, I'm actually going around and measuring absolutely every square inch of this thing so I can make sure that everything fits perfect. Because it's going stealth, all the clearances have to be insanely tight, just so we can make sure that we're getting as much coverage as we possibly can to ensure a perfect look.
Now Derek's completed measuring all the panels. He's preparing the kits as we speak. I'm going to begin the foam bath, hand washing, decontamination stage. Let's go.
Alright guys, so we finished laying the first piece. We're going to move along to the doors now. We're going to start off with a little bit of disassembly. We're going to pull the handles and the lower window trim off, just for a nice, clean, seamless install. Let's go. Alright guys, so moving on, we've got most of the stealth laid down. We're just wrapping the roof in a Nosatec Super Gloss Black to continue the glass look. And then after that, we're going to move on to protecting all the black pieces, including the glass, with XPEL. Let's go. Alright guys, so now that the exterior of the car is all finished being wrapped in XPEL Stealth, we're going to move on to the interior and protect some of the piano black trim pieces. Let's go.
Alright guys, we're at the final stage, which is the coating stage. It's completely wrapped head to toe in XPEL Stealth. All the little carbon pieces, all the little black trim pieces are also protected. We went absolutely insane on this one. Now we're going to coat it. We're going to coat the full body in film surface coat from KAMIKAZE. The wheels and the glass is already done with the KAMIKAZE coatings as well. It looks absolutely amazing. This is always my favorite step. It always makes it look so good. It leaves a nice slick finish and a good sheen. Let's go. guys, that's it for the R6.
This thing turned out so cool. The stealth makes the lines look so menacing. It's crazy.
It actually is. It looks amazing. So just a quick recap, 2021 RS6, Audi exclusive Merlin purple, wrapped it full stealth, completely wrapped the glass roof, all the little trim, all the carbon, all the interior trim, then full coatings on the exterior, including the wheels, glass, and paint.
It looks fantastic.
What a beast. What an amazing daily driver.
100%.
Super jealous.
I think the coolest thing is like, it'll kind of look satin black in lower lighting, and then like as soon as the sun hits it, the purple will really shine. It's gonna look insane.
Yeah, and the nice thing with stealth is it'll still show the flake and all the metallic through. So it's amazing. But we gotta start on the next project, so let's take a closer look. We'll see you guys next week.
See ya.